Welcome to the unboxing of the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Let's remove the protective film and reveal Apple's elegant, eco-friendly packaging. Inside, the deep space black finish immediately stands out. This titanium frame is both lighter and stronger than ever. A flawless matte texture resists fingerprints beautifully. Notice the incredibly slim bezels framing the expansive display.
The advanced triple lens system delivers crystal clear images, day or night.
The new customizable action button keeps your favorite controls a press away.
Dynamic Island 2.0 brings notifications and controls to life, synchronized subtitles appearing along the lower third.
Experience ultra-smooth 120 Hz ProMotion visuals.
Powering it all is the lightning-fast A19 Bionic processor.
Night photography reaches a new level of clarity. The periscope lens offers breathtaking 10x optical zoom. And, for pros, the Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port enables rapid data transfer.
Enjoy up to 30 hours of continuous video playback.
MagSafe accessories attach instantly for effortless charging and style.
Whether for gaming, photography, or AR, iPhone 17 Pro Max adapts to your world. This is the future in your hands, the iPhone 17 Pro Max.